UK property investment hotspots. It's no secret that some parts of the UK bode well for property investment and attracts investors from all over the world. The UK's property investment opportunities are invariably solid, meaning that in the midst of Brexit, this is the one thing that the UK can generally be sure of. Anyone in the property sector knows that major UK regions such as London and Bristol have an extensive history of long-term relationships with overseas investors. But have you ever thought about the opportunities which might be in other areas of the UK? There is a lot more of the country to see, and we are going to guide you through our top 5 hidden hotspots for property investment throughout the UK. Number 1, Bicester. Located just outside the city of Oxford lies the market town of Bicester, renowned for its designer shopping outlet. Few people know that there is much more to this lively Oxfordshire town other than the designer items at the high street prices, especially when it comes to property with its significantly lower house prices. With average house prices in London currently set at £729,000 and £510,000 in Oxford, Bicester attracts many with their far more affordable average house prices of £329,000. It is therefore no surprise that Bicester has begun to increase in popularity, with many being unable to afford the prices in these bigger cities, whether renting or buying. This price is even more tempting due to the location of Bicester, which is situated within a 15-minute commute into the centre of Oxford and no more than 45 minutes from the centre of London. A dream come true for commuters in either city. Adding to this popularity, Bicester is currently experiencing millions of pounds worth of investment through Sherwood District Council's 20-year Growing Bicester initiative, which includes the development of a groundbreaking green village which encompasses a range of buy-to-let apartments as well as self-build homes. All of these factors together, these being location, excellent transport links, heavy investment and reasonable house prices, make Bicester set to see its population nearly double between now and 2032. Number 2, Birmingham. Located in the Midlands of England, Birmingham is the second biggest city in the UK behind London. It may be true that Birmingham has fallen behind other cities such as London in terms of growth and development, but it was the top destination for people relocating from London in 2018, with over 7,000 making the move. Along with the increase in population, so too have the job prospects improved, with many head offices relocating to Birmingham from London. Therefore, with increased job prospects, a strong connection to London and lower house prices, Birmingham makes a fine consideration for anyone looking for a hidden UK hotspot. Number 3, Dalry, Edinburgh. Dalry is an area of the Scottish capital city of Edinburgh, benefiting from being close to the city centre. Having always benefited from investment to a certain extent in buildings, Dalry is now rising in popularity, as is being demonstrated by increasing house prices and rental yields, presenting opportunities for investors. In addition to the great location drawing people in from other areas of Scotland, Dalry boasts a staggering variety of restaurants with almost every type of cuisine imaginable, making this an incredibly attractive place for foodies and the younger population. Number 4, Nottingham. Located in the East Midlands, Nottingham is a city with a huge amount of potential for growth. With a student population of almost 40,000 many of whom prefer to live close to the city centre, there is a plethora of potential residents and ample student housing investment opportunities. Property prices in Nottingham are lower than the national average, while the rental market is strong. Nottingham postcodes are in the top 5 in the country for buy-to-let yields. In addition to this opportunity for private landlords, Nottingham currently has many planning applications being considered for major developments, which if approved could mean exciting things for 2020. Number 5, Slough. Slough is gradually shaking off its rather dull reputation as becoming one of the top spots for investors looking for a break in the UK property investment market, having already been named as one of the top 3 places to live for London commuters. There has already been significant investor interest over recent years thanks to Slough's position along with the much anticipated Crossrail line into central London. With great links to London by train, it's no wonder there is much buzz around this area. Although house prices are most certainly on the rise since the announcement of Crossrail, the current average house price in Slough is still around £400,000, noticeably lower than that of nearby London. These factors make Slough a very attractive area, but with prices on the increase, now is the time to make a move. For property investors wanting to expand their portfolios in areas such as those we've just listed, this represents a new era for hidden hotspots within the UK.